In a quaint village, whispers spoke of a mysterious sound that only a few could hear. It was said to be the voice of the wind, carrying secrets from the past. Villagers believed it was a gift, a rare ability to hear the unheard. One night, a curious traveler arrived, eager to uncover the truth. As he listened, he realized the sound was not the wind, but the echo of ancient trees communicating. The twist? The trees were warning of a storm, saving the village. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.